There are several ways to create a custom mode in Roo Code, the easiest of which is to use the mode marketplace. The marketplace contains a curated list of pre-built modes. To install one, simply select it and click Install. A pop-up will then appear asking where to save the mode. Select your desired location and click the Install button again to complete the installation. You can also navigate to Mode Settings and click the plus icon. This will open a form where you can manually define every parameter for your new custom mode. The Mode Settings page is the central hub for managing your modes. From here, you can edit any custom mode you've created, add specific instructions, or tweak its behavior. For an automated, AI driven approach, you can use the Mode Writer mode, also available in the Mode Marketplace. Install it, and then describe the new mode you want to create. Roo Code will automatically generate, save, and install the desired custom mode based on your requirements. To share custom modes between projects or teammates, you have two options. The simplest method is using the import and export features directly within the mode settings page. Alternatively, custom modes saved for a specific project are stored as files within a .ru directory at the root of that project. You can manually copy these files to transfer modes, which is also useful for version control. RuCode's custom modes allow you to tailor the AI's behavior to your specific workflow. Custom modes are a powerful feature for optimizing your development process, and we encourage you to explore these methods.